Welcome to the Valotalive Help Center. In this video, we'll show you how to activate and start using the Microsoft Power BI Reports app to securely display your Power BI reports and dashboards on your digital signage or info screens. To activate the Power BI Reports app for a specific report or dashboard, locate the icon associated with that content within the Valotalive interface. Click the icon and then select Create New. Then select Microsoft Power BI Reports and then Activate. Make sure to name your app something easy to identify later. Using the name of the source file is a great idea. This is an important step to help keep things clear as you create more apps and add them to more flows or displays. The next thing you'll do is authorize Valotalive MS Power BI app with OAuth 2. Once your authorization is complete, your next steps will be: choose the preferred workspace from the drop-down menu, and then choose the preferred report from the second drop-down menu. For more detailed information on the initial setup and configuration options, you can refer to the Settings on the App's Configuration tab. Here you'll find advanced settings to fine-tune your Power BI integration. Once activated and configured, your chosen Power BI reports and dashboards will be ready to securely display on your designated screens. That's how to activate and use the Microsoft Power BI Reports app in Valotalive. For more detailed guidance, please explore the other articles in our Help Center. Thanks for watching.